SIT මොබිටෙල් easyphala.lk වෙබ් අඩවියට සියලු දෙනා සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. අද දින සම්මන්ත්‍රණය පැවැත්වීමට SIT මොබිටෙල් easyphala සමග සම්බන්ධව සිටින්නේ ඉංජිනේරු දේශක කරිඳු වික්‍රමරත්න මහතායි. එතුමන්වත් ගෞරවයෙන් යුතුව පිළිගනු ලබනවා. වැඩමුළුව ඉදිරියට පවත්වාගෙන යාම සඳහා කරිඳු වික්‍රමරත්න මහතාට ගෞරවයෙන් යුතුව ආරාධනා කර සිටිනවා.
Right. Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to do a short question discussion on for the grade 11, grade 10 final term test. So I have sent the PDF to your chat box. You can download, right? Otherwise you can just see from the screen, right? So we will do 25 short questions, and you can start from the first question, right? Right. You can try the first question and send me answers. Then we will move one by one. Right. When you are finished, you can send me answers. All right. Kavin, are you finished? First one. Right. So one has sent me the answer 18 man days. So what is given in this question is there are 3 men. They take 4 days to complete 1/3 of a certain work. So 3 into 4 means 12 man days. No? Man days are 12. So this is 1/3 of work. So they are asking how many days 3 men will take to complete half of the work. So 12 is 1/3. So total work is 3/3, no? That is 36. So half is what? Then if the total thing is 36, half is 80. The magnitude of the work is now 18 man days. So how you can find the number of days? You have to just divide 18 by 3. So that is 6 days. Right. 6 days. First one is okay. After that, you can try the second one. So I have attached the PDF to the description also. You can download that one. Right. Right. So there are numbers and letters, no? Right. So different people have used different method. Right. So when you take numbers here, what are the numbers here? Here 6, here 12, here 1, no, actually. 6, 12, 1. So out of these three, what is the biggest number? That is 12. Can 12 be divided by 6 without a remainder? Yes, no, answer is 12. Can 12 be divided by 1 without a remainder? Yes, answer is 12. If not, you have to go to the multiples of 12. Here, no need. So 12 is come. Then maximum power of A is A square. Maximum power of B is what? B square. That's all. You need not to divide those things and see you go to the powers. No need. Right. So after that, you can try the question number 3. We will do a little bit quickly than our normal classes because we have only 1 hour time now. So you can quickly finish that one and send me answers. So I will do the third one. Multiples of 3 between 1 and 15. So how can you write A? Between. Right. Kavin is correct. When you take in between, you are not writing 12. Right. So from 1 to 15, then we will consider 15 also. Here we will not consider 15. So there are 4 elements. Na equals 4. All right. Now you can do the fourth one. You can try the fourth one. Others also try. Others also try and send me answers. So I think most of you will try to do this. A minus B squared. A squared minus 2 into A into B plus B squared equals 60. Then you will try to simplify that one. Right? Then you will, this is 6x, this is 9. You will take this side, this is 16. And this is minus 7. Then you will try to factorize. I will not do factorizing here. Like that, we will try. But I will use another method. All right. So that method is what? I can see 16 as 4 square. Then I will take this 4 square to this side. Then that is 1. Minus 4 square. Then This is like a squared minus b squared. Then what are the factors? A minus b, a plus b. Otherwise, a plus b, a minus b. No matter. Then x minus 3 is a now. What is b? B is 4. Minus 4. Then a is x minus 3, b plus b. Plus b is plus 4. So minus 3 minus 4, x minus 7, x plus 1. Right? Then x minus 7 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. Then x equals 7 or x equals minus 1. So you can use this method easily. Instead of using the a minus b squared, I will write 16 as 4 squared and I took that to the other side. Then a squared minus b squared, a minus b, a plus b. This is now a. This whole thing is a. A minus b, a plus b. Then you can easily simplify. Right. So newcomers can get the PDF from the chat. Right. And you can try the question number 5 and send me answers. For the next term test, we will do a program a little bit quickly. Now, in some provinces, the semester exams are over. I think only Western and few provinces they are having the exam. So you can try the question number 5. You have to be a little bit quick as we have limited time, right? Find the value of x and y in the figure. So in a geometry short note, the first 4 theories are the basic theories. A plus b 180 vertically opposite angles, then corresponding alternate allied angles, and when they are equal, it will become two lines will become parallel. Right? This is our geometry short note, right? So here, what? These two lines are parallel. Then 140 plus x is 180. What's the reason? Aligned angles. Then x equals 180 minus 140. This is 40. Then that is what is y? Y equals x plus 50. No, 50 plus 40. Y. Exterior angle of a triangle. So exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angles. So y equals 90 degrees. Right. So you can try the question number 6 after that. So this is a geometry short note. So we have given those theories here. These are theories from triangles, then circles. Then we are moving to parallelograms and special properties of parallelograms and loci. So this is used to memorize. You can memorize, right? What is a plus b? 108. What's the relationship between x and y? Right? So this is for memorization. So to memorize parallelogram like that way we have, right? You can try the question number 6. If someone is unable to download the PDF, you can contact SAT, right? I will give them the PDF so you can download. So how to write this? You can write 10 into 10. You know that is 100. That means 10 into 1, 10 here, another 10 here. 10 squared is 100. So we call this the number or the value. This is index. So logarithm of a number is equal to the index. So this is the base. We can write the base after that. Right? So log10 we can simply say as LG. So they have given LG means this is what? Log 7 to base 10 equals this. So logarithm of a number, this is the number. So number is longly in index form. So 7 equals base into index. That is easy, no? Right. So you can try the question number 7 after that. You can write down what you want. In TransTut, we provide space to write down. Here we didn't provide the space because if you take a printout, the number of pages will be increased, right? So we just So these are our questions taken from our tutes. Tutes are made using province papers and all our past papers. You can send me answers to the 7th one. So I have put that into the chat box. I will again put, right? So I will. So it will load. If you cannot download, you can contact SAT after the seminar and they will be. So find the solutions of the equation. How you can do that? Some people will take this one to this side. Then 4 is 2 squared. This is 2x squared minus 1. 1 is 1 squared. I have asked you to remember the squares from 1 to 10. Then 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1 equals 0. Then 2x minus 1 equals 0 or 2x plus 1 equals 0. So 2x equals 1 or 2x equals minus 1. X equals half or x equals minus half. Right. Otherwise, I can do what? X squared equals 1 over 4. I divide both sides by 4. So I have made a mistake. No, I haven't done the 7th one. Sorry. I will now do this one. So 1 over 4 is what? This is 1 over 2 whole thing square. The square root may be either plus or minus. Right? When you square minus 1 over 2 also, you will get 1 over 4. Plus 1 over 2 also, you will get 1 over 4. No matter. I can easily do in this way. Right? Yes, you have to find the first approximation. So you have to find the nearest value to 47. So 47 is in between these two values. No. So when you take with this one, difference is 0.76. Here 0.61. So nearest value is this one. So square root is 6.9. That is easy. Right. So after that, you can try the question number 9. This is somewhat different. Data are given in a different way. Send me answers to that one, 9th one. So they have given A as 2B. What's the value of A is 2B. B is equal to C also. So I will take this as B. C is also B. Then I can add these 4. That is 4B, is equal to the interior angle of a triangle, that is 108. So we want to find A. What is A? 2B. If 4B is 180, A equals 2B, that is 90. We need not to find B. We can just find 2B. That is easy, A equals 2B, C also equal to B. So what we have to do here is we have to convert this into a one angle, either B or C. If we want to convert to A, this will be A. This is A divided by 2, A divided by 2, right? So our timetable is also given in the bottom, right? Online class timetable. Right. I think we can move to the next page. This is easy, Right. So you can try the first two questions, 10 and 11, and send me answers. Right. So there are 28 pencils of same size and shape. Some of them are red in color and rest are yellow. The probability of a pen randomly drawn out being yellow is 3/7. Find the number of red pens, right? Not the probability, number. Netha, yes. So if yellow pens are, probability of yellow pens is 3/7, altogether 1 of probability. So probability of what? Red pens is PR is That is 4 over 7. No? 1 minus 4 over 7. So total number is 28. So number of red pens 4 over 7 into 28. 7 times 4. So 4 into 4, 60. Otherwise, what we can do is we can find number of yellow pens. Number of yellow pens. You know probability of yellow is 3 over 7 into 28. That is 12. So red pens, you have to mind minus 28 minus 12, that is 60. That method is also okay. Right. You can try the question number 11. So here radius is 7 means this one is also 7. So perimeter is 25. Now here 14 is there. So 25 minus 14, now this one is 11. So radius 7, 1/4 of circle is 11. Here half of circle. So this one is 11, this one is 11, this is 22. So same radius. No? This is 7 plus 7. So they are asking the perimeter, right? Not the arc length. So 22 plus 14. 36 centimeters. Right. You can do the 12th one. Sorry. 12th one you can do. So we have to multiply this square term and constant term. So minus 42x squared. So obtain a minus sign, you have to multiply a minus value by a positive value. Here the middle term is minus. Middle term minus. When you are multiplying, then bigger term is minus. So minus into plus, x squared is x into x. So we have to get 42 with the difference of 1. So I will plug in 6 into 7, right? Depending on the time, I just wrote the correct answer, right? So instead of minus x, we can plug in, sorry, bigger term is minus, no? So 7x is minus, 6x is plus. Sorry, again, I made the wrong mistake. Bigger term is minus means this one. So 6x minus 7x minus 42. In first two terms, x is common. Here 1x remain, here plus x. For the next bracket also, we have to get x. Then we have to take minus 7. Here minus into plus minus. 7 into 6, 42. And then x plus 6, x minus 7. So when you multiply, you are getting a negative value means what? You have to multiply a minus by a positive. Here middle term minus means bigger term minus. Then we can try different values, right? We can try 1x and 42x. Then minus 42 is minus. 42 is minus. Then 1x minus 42 is minus 41. You will not get the middle term. So you have to like that check. I just wrote the correct answer depending on the time. Right? After that, you can try the question number 30. Right. In the next one, so they have given OC as 2a. So this is 2a. CD as 8. Now what is the radius? OD is the radius. So that is 20. So we are asking AB. So you know when you drop a perpendicular from the center, it will bisect this chord. Then this is 20. Then you can use the Pythagoras theorem to find AC. AC squared is 12 squared. AC squared plus 20 squared. Right? But I will use a simpler method. Here 20, here 12. So there is a common factor. What is the common factor? 4. This is 4 times. This is 4 times. Then this one should also be a 4 times. So 20 is 4 times 5. 12 is 4 times 3. So you know, no? You learn Pythagoras theorem from this 3, 4, 5 triangle. 3, 4, 5. Then this is 3, this is 5 means this one is 4. 4 times 4. Right? You can just do in this separate place and you can write this as 16 square. AC equals 16 centimeters. So another thing I can do is AC squared equals from this one 20 squared minus 12 squared. I can simplify A squared minus B squared. A minus B, A plus B. 8 into 32. AC squared. Right. So 16 is 4 squared, you know, no? 8 into 32 is 16 into 2. This 8 into 2 again 16. Now 16 into 16. That is 16 squared. AC is 6 squared. 16. You can try different ways. From here we can make 4. Right? 4 times 8 into 32 means 4 times 2 into 32. That is 4 times 64. This is 2 squared. This is 8 squared. That also when you take the square root 2 and 8, that is also 60. Right? So there are different ways to simplify. So after that, you can do the 14th question. So when you know these simplification methods, it will save you time. So I will give you 1 minute to 2 minutes. So these are questions not made by me. These are questions given in O-level pass papers and province papers in grade 10 and grade 11. So here they are asking to find the area of three rectangular faces, right? Not triangular faces for the total area. So this is a rectangular face, 13 times 20, 2a times 20, 5 times 20. 13 times 20, 2a times 20, and 5 times 20. So 13, so how many 20 sets are there? Here 13 sets, 2a sets, 5 sets. So altogether 30 sets of 20. You can easily simplify that as 600 square centimeters. Right. So our student will do this again, right, in grade 11 TUT. So I have taken that from grade 11 TUT. Right. I think all of you have finished writing. So I will move to the next page. Right? All right. You will do this again, right, Nathan? Then no problem. Are you okay now? I can also send this again. Sorry. All right. We will move little bit quickly. You can do the 15th one. 16th one is not for this question, right? That is a printing mistake. So both of these are parallelograms. So if this is x, this one is also x, y. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. If this is 50, this is also 50 alternate angles. So then these two are what? Aligned angles. So 60 plus 50 plus x is 180. So x equals 70 degrees. So if you can remember our short note, that will not be a difficult question, right? So I have given you to memorize here. Right. Try the next one. So there are 11 datas in that distribution. Median is what? Median is the term in the middle when we arrange the data in the ascending order. Right? Datas. So this is the data number 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So median Q2 otherwise is in the 11 plus 1 divided by total number of n plus 1 divided by term value. So that is sixth term. So what is the sixth term here? That is 60. Right. Right. So after that, you can try the question number 70. and send me answers. They have asked to find the speed in the last 30 minutes. So distance traveled in last 30 minutes is what? From this place to this place. So this is 20 kilometers. Time is 30 minutes. 30 minutes means what? Half of an hour. No? So speed is what? Distance divided by time. For kilometers, we go with hours. No? 20 divided by half hours. Then this 2 comes upward. 40 kilometers per hour. Right. You can complete that quickly, right? Right. So we will move to the next page. 20, 30. 30 I convert to hours, then you will get 40 kilometers per hour. Right. You can try this one. You can send right or wrong or right or right, wrong, anything. So this is the center. No? So ABC is 90, that is correct because angles in a semicircle. ABO 45. You know if these two are equals, opposite angles to these two sides are equal, then these two are equals. These are also equal, but it can be the same value or not. Right? X plus 1 is 90. We can't say x is exactly 45, right? Yeah, it seems like 90, but from the naked eye, we can't say, right? It can be 89. So then this will be different, right? If this is 86, this one will be 40, more than 40. So this is wrong, right? So you can try the next one. If you have the paper, this will be easy. If you want, you can take a printout after the class. Normally in our class, we are clearing all the tubes. So they have given the angle of depression of B from C. So you have to first mark the eye level. No? This is not just you can't. This is in your short questions book from different places I have taken. So this is the angle of elevation. This is the angle of depression. You have to just mark the angle. This is 30. This is 50. That is so. So our paper class timetable also given at the bottom. Normally I don't take student only for the paper class, so I don't have a separate card for that. From the theory one, you can join. So this is a line going through origin, no? So intercept is 0. Then this is y equals mx. So you have to find the gradient. So how to find the gradients. Here, x value and y value are 0, 0. This is x is 4, y is 2. You are writing the x first always. So what's the gradient? Y difference 2 minus 0 divided by x difference 4 minus 0. This is the gradient. So m is half. So y equals half x. That is easy. Only thing is you are not right. If you interchange this one, it will be wrong. Right. So I will just show our tutor. So this is our geometry short note. So this is the short question tunes we give non-geometry short questions. Right? So all the things are there which can come to the exam. I have categorized the short questions, right? Log. So only there are 10 log questions. First one is from basics. From that we are moving to the area and volume like that. Rate, factors, right? LCM, square root, rates, right? Percentages. So we are doing all of this in the class. Data representation, sets, square diagrams. So those things, trigonometry, matrices, all are there. This is the other dude. This is geometry short question. That is also starting from very basics to moving to deep. So triangles here, parallel lines properties. From that we are moving into deep. Congruency, we are just checking the theories first and then moving to question. So parallelogram also same, right? Difference between rhombus and a parallelogram, trapeziums, and all things are checked first, and then the calculation type questions. So this is how structured book. So I have given the spaces for short questions and structure to do, right? Normally 1 page per one short question. So this first 3 tunes I have finished for this year students. So I have only little bit left with very little. Right. So essay question, essay tute is also there. I will show after the class. So we are labeling, no? So if you take a 17, label is only for this curved part. So how to find that area? You know the equation 2 pi r h. Then they have given the diameter, right? You have to be careful. The radius is 40, then height is 40. This is 2. Then 40 into 2, 80. 80 into 2, 160. 22 means 320, 320. 300, 3,520. Right. So you can start the next one. Also, I think you haven't done this one. You have done that in grade 10, third term. But you can send me answers to the question number 22. So they should be congruent under SAS case. AB is equal to DC. ABC and BCD. So name itself suggests that BC is common now. So BC is also, we can take that as another side. So what is the angle? They are asking the angle. What is that angle? So this side is common now. So angle should be the included angle. So ABC angle should be equal to BCD angle. It should be always the included angle. Right. So in the short note, so this is about our tubes. This is grade 10 111 and that tube cover is there, right? Okay. Graph tube. Structure, do you have just seen that one? This is the essay tube. 131 questions are there. We have covered 124 this year students. This year means this May student. So what I want to show you is not that. So important points here is I have bold that one. Included angle. So you have to understand what is included. Here corresponding side. So included angle is this one in between the mentioned sides. Right. You can try the question number 23. So 3x plus 2 is less than or equal 11. You can take 2 to the other side. So this is less than. So we can divide by a positive value, right? If you divide by a negative value, sign will change. X is less than or equal 3. So they are asking to find set of positive integral solution. So x can't be 0. No? So starting from 1, it can be 1, 2, and 3. Because of the equal sign, it can be 3 also. So you can do the next question. So if you want to get any information, SAT, ECPA numbers are also there, right? So otherwise, you can go to just search in Google for SAT, ECPA. On the website at the bottom, 2 numbers are there. You can WhatsApp that numbers to know any detail regarding our classes or any other classes. So that has been put to the meeting also, right? They have put that for the meeting. Rupees 720 is paid for a trade billing as rates for a quarter. When provincial council charge 8% annual rate, find the annual assessed value. So this is for a quarter. For a year, there are 4 quarters. So this is how many percent? 8%. So 100% is the assessed value. 4 times 2. Then 360. 360, another 2 zeros are there. Rupees 36,000. So you can try the question number 25. I will give 1 or 2 minutes for that. So there are data packages also for these classes, right? So you can use that thing, I think, for recordings also. You can, within that package, you can refer the recordings also. And in my classes, all grade 11 students can attend, grade 10 class also free of charge. So, equidistance from two lines, AB and AD, and 8 centimeter from A. From A, 8 centimeter is B. So this arc is drawn 8 centimeters, no? Because this arc touches 8. So this point should be on this arc and on equidistance from AB and AD also. Then you have to go here. Then cut this arc as 2 point. So we are going to construct the angular bisector. Right. If you want, you can take this 2 point also, but it is better if you separate. So this is the point. It is 8 centimeter from this AB A point. So this is the point. Location, this is P. So I have finished this 25 short fractions. Depending on the time available, I move just a little bit fast in the last fractions, right? Depending on the time. So I think all of you can get the PDF from this chat. All right, Kavin, you can go. So we will also finish here, right? So thanks for joining. Good night to all of you, right? So
Thank you, sir.
right.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.